Mathematics Class 10 Cbse New Syllabus Chapter 4 Quadratic Equations Exercise 4.2 Question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and their product is 182. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and their product is 182. Sum of the numbers is equal to 27. It is given to us. Let the required numbers be, let the required numbers be, let the required numbers be x and 27 minus x, and their product is 182. Now according to the question, the product x into 27 minus x is equal to 182, or 27x minus x squared is equal to 182. Now transferring all the terms to the right hand side, you get 0 is equal to x squared minus 27x plus 182. Try to keep the first term always positive while doing the calculations and all. So we get the quadratic equation x squared minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out two factors, p and q, so that their sum is equal to minus 27 and the product is equal to 1 into 182, that is 182 positivities. Since the product is positive, both the factors will be of the same sign, and here it is given minus 27, therefore both the factors are going to be negative. Now which are those factors? 1 and 182. Since the product is positive, we are going to see the sum of the factors, is not. Now 2 and 91, not the sum, is equal to 27. Now you can divide 91 by 7, you get 13. Now 2 into 7, 14. The sum is equal to 27. So the factors are going to be minus 14 and minus 13. So x squared minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. From the first two and from the last two terms, I can take common factors. From the first two, if I take x common, x minus 14. Now the next bracket should be x minus 14. For that I have to take minus 13 common. So x minus 14 into x minus 13, x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 14, x is equal to 13. So this is not the answer. Actually we have to find the first number and the second number. The first number is equal to x. First number is equal to x, that is According to this, it is 14. Therefore, the second number is equal to 27 minus 14, that is equal to 13. Now, this is the first one. Now, if I take x is equal to 13, if x is equal to 13, the first number is equal to the first number is equal to 13. Therefore, the second number is equal to 27 minus 13, that is equal to 14. Therefore, the numbers are 13 and 14. They may be appearing in different order, 14, 13, 13, 14. Therefore, the required numbers are 13 and 14. Required numbers are 13 and 14. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Two consecutive positive integers. Let the required numbers be, or required positive integers, be x and x plus 1. And it is given that the sum of the squares is 365 according to the question. Sum of the squares x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 365. That is x squared plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 365. 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x squared plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, we get x squared plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Equation is x squared plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Sum of the numbers is plus 1, the middle term, and product is equal to minus 182. Since the product is negative, the factors are going to be of different signs, and here the sum is given plus, therefore the bigger number will be positive. Since the product is negative, we are going to find the difference of the terms, difference of the factors. 1 and 182, the difference is not 1. Then 2 and 91, difference is not 1. 91 can be divided by 7, you will get 13. So 2 is multiplied by 7, you will get 14. 14 and 13, the difference is 14. The difference is 14 minus 13, that is equal to 1. Since the sum is positive, we will give plus sign to the bigger one. Plus 14 and minus 13. So we can split the middle term in this manner. X squared plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. From the first two, I can take x common. X into x plus 14. Now the next bracket should be x plus 14. For that I have to take minus 13 as common factor. So x minus 13 multiplied by x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 13 or x is equal to minus 14. Minus 14 is rejected as we were given that the number should be positive. Rejected. Rejected as it was given that the positive integers. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Therefore, the required integers are required positive integers. Actually, they are given positive. 13 and 13 plus 1 or 13 and 14. X is equal to minus 14 is rejected. According to the question, it was given that the product of two consecutive positive integers is 365. According to the question, x is equal to minus 14 is not possible. It is not possible. You have to give the reason here, otherwise you can get less marks.